Thank you, sir. Our leaders become great not because of their power, but because of their ability to empower others. The lines are very much filling to our principal ma'am, Mrs. Manju Vyas, a true leader who shows motherly love and gives fatherly confidence. Your endless love, care, guidance, and support prove that you are a great leader. We are really blessed to have a principal like you, ma'am. With a thankful heart, I welcome you, ma'am, to present the annual report of the school and enlighten us with your words. Ma'am.
Hello, Pranam. Good evening to everyone. Now, I will not take much of your time to say something about. At the outset of this pleasing evening, on behalf of SPI's family, I welcome one and all present over here. अब आप लोगों को अपने चीफ गेस्ट के बारे में सब पता ही लग गया है, तो अब मैं ज़्यादा उसके बारे में नहीं बोलूँगी, बस इतना ही बोलूँगी. टुडे वी हैव gathered here to celebrate our first annual function, and for that we are very fortunate to have two young, dynamic, versatile personalities with us. Sir, within short span of time, I do not have much to say in my annual report because this is only 8-month baby. On 1st June 2019, we have started our school with a team of 13 teachers and 125 young innocent students. Our team of teachers are very qualified, trained, experienced, energetic, and multi-talented. As we all know, the teachers are the backbone of the school educational institution. They are guiding students to excel in scholastic and co-scholastic and shaping them in their overall development because children are the seeds in our garden. Let us plant them with faith, water them with prayers, fertilize them with knowledge, cultivate them with human values. Our tagline is innocence to humanity. Now we all are ready to set standard and goals for ourselves to strive to achieve them with the guidance of our mentor Mr. Rajesh Avasthi and Mr. Prakash Chaudhary. On this memorable occasion, as we reconcile our success with pride and happiness, we wish to dedicate all our achievements to all committed efforts of a dedicated and determined team of our chairmen and directors. They started their journey in teaching field in a very young age and step by step procured up to these heights. They established 4 campus, 3 MP board affiliated up to class 10th and 12th, and one the CBSE campus, and recently one new junior campus, SPIS Junior at Nipania. And for that, this year, they received award from our Education Minister of MP, fastest growing school of MP, and Mr. Balram Patidar received this prestigious award. We had CBSE inspection on 21st October 2019 and most probably will get affiliation number in this last week of this month or next month. Strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from unity. With this concept, we have formed our school council on 18th July 2019 for smooth and systematic working of school in the form of head boy, head girl, house captains and secretaries. Students divided in 4 houses named Sardar Patel House, Vivekanand House, Lal Bahadur Shastri House, Bal Gangadhar Tilak House, and 5 clubs: Science Club, Health and Hygiene Club, Literature, Cultural, Heritage Club, along with team of teachers. As we know that school is working in triangle form, teachers, student, and most important parents, because parents are the stakeholder and time to time we need their suggestions to improve ourselves, to maintain transparency amongst management and teachers. We have Parents Teacher Association, PTA, and Mr. Gupta is president with a team of vice president and secretaries. As I expressed, school is very young to assess ourselves in academics. We are trying to fulfill our commitment to give them holistic education for their overall development. जैसा कि हमारे राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी ने शिक्षा प्रणाली के परिप्रेक्ष्य में कहा है, एजुकेशन इज़ एन ऑल राउंड ड्राइंग आउट ऑफ द बेस्ट इन द चाइल्ड्स माइंड, बॉडी एंड स्पिरिट. Education is the chief defense of the nation. In true education, both giver and the receiver gain. Interaction is the key in great examples of Indian culture and heritage of learning and teaching like Nachiketa and Yama, Krishna and Arjun, and many more. We are celebrating all social and national festivals to inculcate our responsibilities towards our families, society, and nation. Rakhi, Holi, Deepavali, 2nd October, 15 August, 26 January. Recently, we had grandparent celebration also. We conducted workshops for students and teachers in the school, and they have attended workshop organized by the school and publisher for different subjects to upgrade themselves to compete with today's global education scenario. We are planning to start our school magazine this year. We will start 9th standard also. Every year one class will increase. Our magnanimous management provided us with all facilities required in today's educational world, like science lab, computer lab, well-established library with 3,000 books, smart class, playground, all sports facilities, indoor, outdoor games, football, cricket, volleyball, table tennis, badminton, skating, etc. I will conclude with this: education itself is life. Think differently. हर दिन नया, हर दिन नई सोच. कागज़ के परिंदे भी उड़ान भर सकते हैं, बस वो सही हाथों में हो, मजबूत हाथों में हो. जो तुम्हारी उपलब्धियां होगी वो हमारी ख्वाहिशें होगी. तुम्हारी ऊंची उड़ान में उम्मीदों की हवा हमारी होगी. तुम्हारे हर फैसले में दिशा निर्देशों का सहारा हमारा होगा. ज्ञान से, संस्कार से सींचा है जिस पौधे को हमने, आज वही विश्वास बनकर चला है सपनों को साकार करने. वो कभी न मुरझाएंगे. विश्वास है हमें, हमारा आशीर्वाद सदा मिला है और मिलेगा तुम्हें. The success of a person lies in the kindness, the help that people shower like all of you sitting over here. Thanks a lot. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.